Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to fix your Windows 11 taskbar icons missing, in today's video we are providing you with a guide for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, you can start by restarting your Windows Explorer. Usually you can go to your task manager. So type in task manager, hit enter even when it is administrator, and find Windows Explorer here. Right click on it, select the option of restart. For that, select restart or end task, and that should probably work for you. Taskbar icons often come back instantly once you do so. Also, what you can do is you can just go over and restart your Explorer manually. So you can press Ctrl Shift plus ESC, Ctrl Shift plus ESC on your keyboard, and that will open up your task manager. You can click on Run New Task here, and there just type in explorer.exe. Hit enter, and that should open up this page right here, and you can press enter, and you can just go over and look out for your task manager here as well. That should also probably pop up your task manager. And if that does not work, what you can do is you can turn taskbar auto hide off. So go to your settings, go to personalization, and within there, go over to taskbar. And from taskbar, look out for taskbar behaviors. And within there, select this option, automatically hide the taskbar. Make sure this option is turned off. If this option is turned on, and you can restart the Explorer once again. And also clear the icon cache. You can press Windows plus R for that, and there just type in this, which is present local app data present Microsoft Windows Explorer in \, and just go and hit enter. And look out for icon cache here. We can select those, the thumb cache and the icon cache, select all, and delete it, and you can restart your PC once this is done. And apart from that, what you can do is you can just go over and system file check. For that, you can open up command prompt as an administrator, type in cmd, run it as administrator, and allow to make the changes on your device. And once you do so, there just type in sfc space/scan now, and hit enter and wait for this to be completed. It may take some time for that, and you can restart your PC. Usually those are the methods you can follow up to fix that issue of the Windows taskbar icons not appearing. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.